while I'm meditating with this topic, sabi ng Lord sa akin, walang magagawa si Satan sa gospel dahil ang gospel ay powerful.
Amen.
But the Lord told me, but people who preach the gospel, He can disunite. The gospel is intact.
Amen.
But the problem is, the messenger of the gospel, kung tayo po na mga messenger ng gospel is not united, the gospel will be affected also. Bakit? Yung nag-preach ng gospel, hindi magkakasundo, and we cannot accomplish anything. At the word unity, it is a law, parang law of gravity. Diba? Merong law of gravity. Ang unity, law of unity din yan. So yung gravity, pag walang gravity, aangat ka. Tama po, pag nasa outer space ka, kahit mag-speaking in tongues ka dyan, mag-review ka dyan, aangat ka kasi walang gravity dyan. So pag kayo po ay tumalon sa building, mamamatay ka kahit pa pamagin mo lang ng angel. Kasi nga, may gravity. Kahit na mag-fasting ka ng 1 year, pag tumalon ka, mamamatay ka. Sino po ulit yung gusto mong mag-try? Same thing with unity. Because it is a law, sometimes, even unbelievers, if they will apply unity, something will happen. O kasi po, law nga siya eh. Tingnan niyo po yung mga communists. Hindi naman sila naniniwala sa Bible, but may na-achieve sila, na-conquer nila ang buong mundo kasi meron silang unity.
Amen.
Hello? So kahit na wala silang Bible, in-apply nila yan. Communists started from 12 people. Imagine niyo po, dahil sa 12 people na yan na nagkasundo, grabe. Na-conquer nila China, Hong Kong, because nagmumove sila sa principle ng unity.